Boost your IT skills with ZAI Systems. Why choose IT training? In-demand IT courses we offer. Cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI and machine learning, data science and analytics, software development, ET. No experience? No problem. Our courses cater to all skill levels. Learning that fits your schedule. Meet Hassan Iftikhar, who landed his dream IT job after upskilling with us. Join ZAI Systems IT training program now. DM us for more details. Limited seats. Register today.